Hello guys, today I will show how to convert a PyTorch model to ONNX model in Google Colab. Here I need to install first ONNX and ONNX runtime GPO. I choose GPO to use GPO if it is available, otherwise it will fall back to CPU. Then I imported necessary libraries, for example Torch Visions, models, ONNX and ONNX runtime. Then I define the device, CUDA or CPU, based on which is available. And then I take the model, I load the model from pre-trained model. It is a ResNet 18. It is very popular model for image. And then I put the model in evaluation mode because it is very important before converting to the ONNX to keep the model stable. And I needed to define the dummy input, and in this input I'm defining what is the shape of the input for the ONNX graph. First parameter is batch size, second parameter is image channel, number of channel, three channel here, and fourth and fifth is image height and width, and the last one is device. So later I converted to Torch to ONNX, exported. This is the code torch.onx.export, and here are 6 parameters. First one is model, which is PyTorch model. Second one is dummy input. I defined before what is the input size or shape. Third one is ONNX path or ONNX model, what it will be called. This is my model will called ResNet 18.onx. So that extension must be ONNX, and the input names of the ONNX model input, and output model is output. It can be anything. You can put whatever you want, suitable, but it needed to be reasonable and suitable. And the last parameter is really important to process in dynamic batch size. Here I define only batch size 1, but if I don't define this one, my ONNX model will not be able to process any other batch size. By defining this, my ONNX model will be able to process in any batch size, for example 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 180, whatever. So it allows my ONNX model to accept different types of batch size. And then I exported the dynamic. Let's run this cell, and it exported to my ONNX model. Then I validate. Let's check. This is the validation code. It is valid or not. ONNX.checker.check model, which will check my model, and it is valid. Now this cell will show the difference between inference time. I checked before, both model give exactly same accuracy, so it does not change the accuracy, but what it does, it speed up my model. And this is the code, and I ran it, and it shows for my PyTorch model it took 196 average time per image, and where ONNX is only taking 60 millisecond per image. So it is almost more than 3 times, pretty much 3 times faster than PyTorch. That's it today. I will upload this code in GitHub, and the link will be in my description below. If you need any help, if you have face any trouble, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Thank you guys. Bye. See you later.